In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a Zoho meeting so you can capture and reuse your sessions whenever you need. Whether you're running trainings, client calls, or internal check-ins, having a proper recording makes it much easier to review discussions and share them with people who couldn't attend live. To begin, you'll need to start or join a meeting as the host or as a co-host. Only these roles have permission to control the recording. So first, schedule your Zoho meeting as you normally would, or join an existing one where you've been assigned as host or co-host. Once you're in the meeting room and your audio and video are set up, make sure everything you want to capture is ready, such as shared screens, slides, or documents. When you're ready to begin recording, look for the record button in the meeting controls. This is usually found along the toolbar at the bottom or top of your Zoho meeting window, depending on your layout and device. Move your mouse over the controls until you see an option labeled record or an icon that looks like a recording symbol. Click that button to start recording the session. In many cases, Zoho Meeting will ask you to confirm that you want to begin recording. This prompt is there to prevent accidental recordings and to remind you that everyone in the meeting may be captured in the video and audio. When the confirmation box appears, review the message, then click the option to proceed, such as start recording or confirm. Once you do this, the meeting will begin recording in the background. At this point, it's a good idea to let your participants know that the meeting is being recorded. A simple verbal notice at the start can help maintain transparency and meet any compliance requirements your organization might have. You might say something like, "This meeting is being recorded so we can share it with the team later." Also, try to avoid starting the recording too early. Begin once introductions are done and you're moving into the main content, so your final video is more focused and easier to review. As the meeting goes on, you can continue presenting, sharing your screen, and speaking as usual. The recording will capture the audio, video, and screen shares based on your Zoho meeting settings. Keep an eye on the recording indicator in the interface. This usually shows that the recording is active. When you've finished the main part of your session and you no longer need to capture anything, click the stop recording button. This is often located in the same area where you started the recording, sometimes replacing the original record button with a stop icon. Clicking it will end the recording for everyone in the meeting. After you stop the recording, Zoho Meeting will process the file. Depending on the platform settings, the recording may be saved automatically to your Zoho account or to a designated storage area. Follow the on-screen prompts to save the recording. This might involve choosing a folder, confirming the file name, or simply acknowledging that it has been stored in your Zoho Meeting recording section. Once it's saved, you'll be able to access the recording from your Zoho Meeting dashboard, where you can play it back, download it if that option is available, or share it with others using a link or your usual collaboration tools. And that's all you need to know to record a Zoho meeting from start to finish.